As some of you may know, my wife and I have been on the keto journey, and we just got in something new to try, the keto bar. Massive keto bar and perfect keto discounts below, just for you guys. As some of you may know, my wife and I have been on the keto journey, lost a massive amount of weight. I've gone from size 4XL to size large, lost 68 pounds. And today we are going to be trying the Perfect Keto Cinnamon Roll Keto Bar. Now the great thing about this is it gives you the ability to get some good fats in during the day where it's quick and you don't have time to make a meal. Let's go ahead and look at the nutritional facts. We've got total fat, 17 grams. We've got total carbs, 12 grams, but it has 9 grams of fiber. So that really kicks down the carbs that you're intaking, and it also has 11 grams of protein. So that's going to be really good macros because you got to have a lot more fat than you do protein. All right, on the ingredients, let's see what we have. We've got almond butter, of course. Almost everything keto is almond. It's also got tapioca fiber. It's got collagen. It's got cacao butter. It's got cashews, MCT oil. It's got sunflower lecithin, cinnamon, natural flavors, and MCT oil powder. So it's got a double smack of MCT. It also has sea salt and stevia. All right, let's jump in there and see what we got here. All right, so these just came in here. They have a little bit of a flexibility to them, so it might almost be like a candy bar. All right. So you can definitely taste the cinnamon in there. It's not too overwhelming. Almost tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch a little bit with chocolate. It does have the protein powder consistency, but the fat in there is not overwhelming. A lot of times when you have fat, it just like completely coats the roof of your mouth. This one's actually pretty good. It's got a nice sweet flavor, and the aroma definitely smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The cinnamon is really nice in there. It's a pretty good treat. What do you think about it, Mama? You like it?
I love it.
She loves it. Loves it. And she actually tried the other keto bar as well, and she says that she likes this one a little bit better. You're going to be seeing that review soon.